Hello guys, how are you doing? It's your boy Dave Partner. I know I have been missing in action for a couple of days. I've not been uploading as often as you guys wanted me to. In fact, many people have inboxed me what has been happening. I said I died and the pastor resurrected me. Alright. But basically what happened was that we were trying to put up a platform that will help empower people, because the whole of last year I put out over 1,000 videos, 1,200 videos generally in on news. All right, so people started asking me, because I have other channels where I teach core business. All right, I have other channels where I teach core programming. I have channels where I teach cryptocurrency. Occasionally, I don't like to mix things. Occasionally, I cross over from one channel and discover this other channel, and they keep telling me, like you see it in the comments, why don't you teach business here? All right, one more on business, one more on education. All right, bring what you have from the other channel into this. All right, so what we've decided to do is to build an online TV platform. The other time Linda KG built, I think last year, she launched an online TV, and it's for drama and series, all these movie series. And I was thinking to myself, like, seriously, this is cool, but we also need to help our people. You understand? The things I know in business that lifted me from zero to where I am now, I need to be able to share it, and I need to be able to connect to a number of people that have been able to successfully do something, and so that we can share this knowledge, not for free, but let the knowledge be there that anybody that any day needs it will be able to reach out and get it. All right, it's one thing that you want to know how to do something, and you can't even find somebody that has done it. And one thing you figure out is that Nigeria is an evil forest when it comes to business. You know what evil forest is? If you've watched Nollywood, you understand. The evil forest is a forest where there's no path. You understand? Everywhere you face is a forest. Like, the rules of the game in this jungle, Nigeria, is so complex. So many different rules. You understand? Such that even if you read books on how to make money online abroad, and books of people that have succeeded, Jack Ma, Peter Thiel, all these people, Mark Zuckerberg, you understand? If you read about them and you try to apply it in Nigeria, it will not work. You get what I'm saying? So we need our own people that have been able to figure out a way it will work to start teaching these courses. You understand? We need to listen to our own people. Even though what you read from books abroad is going to make sense at the end of the day, but when you're applying it in Nigeria, there are some adjustments you need to make. We need to see how people were able to pull off those adjustments. Now, what I see happening in seminars mostly is people start startups. They start a business, all right? They assemble 2, 3, 4, 5 staff, and they start a business. Sometimes they raise funds from abroad. You see these people raise $1 million, $500,000. You understand? And they raise these funds. They start a business. The business has not succeeded, and you see them giving speeches, you understand, teaching how to run a business. It's true they have raised money, you understand, but their business have not succeeded. So when they're teaching how to run a business profitably, blah, 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 it's not going to work for the people listening, because the person even teaching it has not succeeded. So, but I will support such a person teaching how to raise funds. At least that's something they are successful at. So we see a lot of startups. I have a lot of friends that are built startups, you understand. I want to listen to how we're able to raise. I think Conga raised $190 million in total. I think so. You understand? $190 million in total. I think that's what they raised, like over 4 years. You get? So I want to listen to them, the people that raised them. I want to listen how to raise money, you understand? I want to listen to how we have run our own business so far, but I don't want to hear the person speak about how to run a business profitably, you understand? Because they have not got there yet. They have not broken even yet. So I want people that have broken even to be able to teach this. Even if, let's say, you started from zero and you're now making 500,000 naira per month from your business, I want to hear how you are doing it. All right. So even if it means for me to pay, I prefer to pay people to teach me, because when you pay people to teach you, they are going to teach you exactly without holding things back. But when you're trying to do it for free, you get what I'm saying? When you're trying to collect it for free, they only give you superficial. All right. Nobody wants to suffer for 10 years, finally learn one simple secret, simple secrets, and then they go and just give it out for free like that. So I noticed that so many people are like that. They have found the juice, they have found the secret, the truth, but there's no way to share it, so they keep it secret. All right, so that's why we built this platform. Is braintem.org. See, braintem.org. All right, if you go to this platform, you will see that so far I just have one course. All right, in real life I've made over 50 courses. You understand? On other platforms, but this platform I just want it to be just for business. All right, so let me show you a proof of what I'm saying. For instance, on Udemy, I don't, like I said before, I don't like mixing up my platforms. Like you'll never hear me talk about Udemy on this channel, but I have to do it now just to give you a background of what's happening. All right, so I have 65,000 students, 25 courses just on Udemy alone. See, I'm teaching how to speak Chinese. You see, that's $199. I'm teaching how to build websites. I'm teaching a whole lot. So I'm teaching people from all over the world. Like there are few Nigerians that are my students. Like I can't even count up to 100 Nigerians that are my platforms. So, but this just shows you, gives you an idea of what I'm talking about. So there are this many students and they're able to get what they want. But the thing is that when it comes to business, we need that platform in Nigeria where people go and teach how they actually made it in business. You understand? So that's why I just have only one business course here. All right, and then of course more is coming. Like the course 2, this is course level 1, the one I've been advertising on this channel that you should buy. You can now get it from this platform. All right, so you jump onto this platform, braintem.org. You click on enroll or read more. Any of them will take you to a proper description, like all the things people have been complaining about while we were selling this course. They can now get it fully here. All right, to this page, remember that you need to sign up. You click on sign up, all right, so that you can access the rest of the page. After signing up, it will log you in automatically. Now once you're logged in, you start seeing full details about the course. Like people want to see what the promo video is, what's a summary of what is inside the course. You'll see it directly. You don't need to pay to see that. All right, now you also see the description of what's in the course. You see about the author, right? You see what you are expected to learn. You see who the target students are, see whether you're a match, and then see the requirements. What do you need to know? What do you need to have? Some people will email me and ask me, do I need a laptop for this course or not? This is where you're gonna see it. Okay, you see frequently asked questions. Do I need a laptop? What is the course made of? The course are all videos, you see, things like that. Do you get a refund? Then you can also make a payment for this course. I'll show you, but then you can also see the contents of the course before you buy it. So you don't just do blind purchase. And I appreciate everybody that has done blind purchase based on the fact that they know me. All right. So, but this time around, you can now see things that are there, even though you can't click to view them, but you can now see that this course contains this video, that video, that video, and even some articles. All right. You can read the articles and so on. And then you see everything in this course. Now you can make a proper informed decision to buy this course. All right, so let me just put you through. When these links are red like this, it means that you have not made payment. You have to pay to access this course. So you click on this and then you're able to pay. All right, so now if you look at this, you see that you can drop comments or ask questions. This is where you type your comments and questions, and admin will be right there to reply you. These comments are public, so whatever you ask here, people will see it publicly. All right, anybody else that wants to buy the course will come and see what people are asking about the course. Now if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see this option to buy the course. So this one is no longer how do I buy the course. You will see it here. All right, you see the price, and then you see how much it is in US dollars. Then you can click on enroll. So when you click on enroll, you have two options. You can buy through your card, like your ATM card. If you click here, it will take you to, if you click pay with Paystack, it will take you all the way to Paystack, and you enter the ATM card details and pay. Once you pay, it will bring you back to the website, and then you'll be able to, straight from the website, by the time it's bringing you back to the website, you have already had access to the course. It's instant. All right. Now you can also use the Visa QR code inside your banking app. If you're in Nigeria, you have this option, Visa QR code. You can use it to scan and then complete payment straight up. Okay, so if we go back, we have if you go back to enroll now, and then you have bank transfer. For some of you in some parts of the world, and you don't you want to use bank transfer. Bank transfer takes within 24 hours. Honestly, within 1 or 2 hours you'll get it, but we'll put 24 hours here to make sure that everything goes well. You see the bank details, GT Bank, see the bank account, see the name to put. So when you're transferring online, they usually ask you for name of the account. You see it. Sometimes they ask you for phone number. Here's the phone number. So some people want to call this number. Sorry, this number does not go. You can't call or text it. No need. But you can use it for making payments online. All right. So basically, what I'm saying is this is not a customer care line. So okay. So if you're outside Nigeria and you want to make transfer to this account, you can use Azimo.com or WorldRemit. It's very simple to use. If you go there, you'll see the easy way to use it. All right. So once you have made payments, whether from Nigeria or from outside using bank, you have to click this button. You must click this button, all right, and see how much you paid, which bank you sent the money from, and then the name on your bank account, and click submit. All right. So once you click submit, admin will approve it, and you instantly have access to this course. So to know the payment, let me just simulate a payment. If I say I paid 9,800 naira. And I paid through First Bank. Okay, and then my name is Dave Adekunle. That's not my real name, you know. My name is Dave Partner, you know. So click submit. So it's gonna give you this message that hey, payment submitted successfully either within 24 hours. So if you click on payments now, my payments by the left. So what will happen is it will show you that yes, you submitted a payment and it's pending confirmation by admin. All right. Also, some of you that we have only had like 2 people asking for refund. All right. Nobody asked for refund from the course. It's only like 2 people. So if you want to ask for refund, it's easy. Let's say you take that course and within 24 hours you say, this is not what I want. You can ask for refund. All right. It's now easy. This one is not to email the account again. Just click on refund. All right. Now this is pending. So within 24 hours you will be able to get access to the course. Usually within an hour or 2, depending. All right. So this is from payment. That's where you manage all your pending courses. You can always buy more courses when we upload more. All right. So if you want to ask for refund, you click on this. It asks you why do you want a refund. It's good that you tell us, because some people try to do some sort of trick, you understand, that we reject. Like they buy one course, they ask for a refund, we give them a refund, they use that money to buy another course, and then like that. So we usually want to know why, and that's why we say you need to prove to us that you have actually taken that course and tried what is in there. All right, you need to try what is in the course and it's not working for you. And we want it within 24 hours. Don't buy a course and stay 10 years before you ask for a refund. Okay. So this is you enter your bank details, because the money has to be transferred right back into your bank details. We need the name of your bank, like GT Bank, your name on the account and your account number. You click request for refund. Assuming you change your mind, you can just click cancel. All right. So once your request is approved, and once your payment is approved, you will see that this will change. Now admin has approved this has changed, it's now confirmed. All right, which means if you now click to this course, click on this course and click on contents, you see the color has changed now to blue, which means you now have access to all this course. All of this you now have access. All right, you have access to all of it. Okay, so and now let's say you're watching one of the videos. You click on this, you're going through one of the videos. Okay, so now we are viewing the first video, and as you can see, the first one is highlighted, so you can click here to watch the video. So while the video is playing, you can also click here to expand it. All right, if you click here, it will cover the full screen. You see, so if it covers the full screen, you can click escape on your keyboard to minimize it. All right, now if you want to watch the second one, you click on this, it opens the second one for you. All right, And then you can always drop comments. All right, the comment, you can always drop comments underneath so that anybody can come and answer, including admin. All right, so depending on anyone you want to make reference to anytime, you can always click and click. All right, so if you want to see more courses, you can just come all the way to the right here and see, click on this, you see more courses. Okay, so now I just have one course, but like I said, more are coming. All right, okay, now these are courses you've paid for. All right, the ones you've paid for and that has been approved. You see, these are courses you've paid for that have been approved. So those are your subscriptions. All right, now one more thing you need to look at is down here. You'll be able to chat with admin directly. Let's say you have an issue anywhere, you can just come here and drop a chat message to admin. And now this message, whether admin is online or not, for instance, now admin, some of the admins are online, but even if they are offline, you can just drop the message. If they reply, you'll get it in your inbox. All right, so this is a very powerful system. And like I said, the main aim is to grow the financial knowledge for our people. All right, some of you that are coming back home to start a business, or you're in a country where it is difficult to do a physical business. That's my main aim now. I want to teach people how to do business without doing anything physical. You understand? You do coded business, you're still going to your regular job, you're earning almost twice your salary, and you're still codedly doing it, maybe monitoring things from your phone or maybe your laptop. You get, everything is coded, nothing like physical business. All right, so that's my main aim this year. If I can just make, let me say, if I can just make 10 to 50 people millionaires this year, I think my aim is achieved. All right, if I can just lift 10 to 50 people, man, I think my aim for this year is achieved, because I know those 10 to 50 people will go on then to lift others. All right, so I hope this is very simplistic, very straightforward, and then it helps solve the problem. All right, so if you want to log out of the system, which I don't think you ever need to, you just click on your name here and then click on sign out. All right, and if you want to remove this bar, you just click on this. See? All right, then, thank you very much. I listened to you people, the questions you people asked, and we built the system following that. So these are on online TV, you understand? If you want to watch drama, you can always go to other places to watch drama. But if you want to learn things that will change your financial status, this is where to come from now on. Thank you very much. I want to hear your opinion in the comment section below. I read all my comments, even if I don't reply to you. By the time I click that what do you call it now, that love icon, you will know that I actually read your comments. All right, so I read all. Okay, and if I need to reply, I will reply. Thank you very much, guys. See you, and you go to visit this platform. It's braintemp.org. Thank you very much. See you.